Hello and welcome back to the channel. Dear parents and guardians, are you looking for a fun, easy way to style your little one's hair? Braids are not only adorable, they also help protect your hair and keep it neat all day long. Today we are sharing some super cute and simple cornrow braid styles perfect for toddlers and kids. First up, we have the classic straight back cornrows. This timeless style is a go-to for a reason. It's simple, neat, and keeps hair out of your child's face, making it great for school or playtime. Next, let's talk about simple zigzag braids and heart-shaped braids. This style adds a playful twist to the traditional look and is surprisingly easy to do. It's perfect for adding a bit of personality to your little one's hairstyle. Just section the hair in a zigzag pattern instead of a straight line and braid away. And for those who love a bit of extra cuteness, try a few cornrow braids leading into a simple ponytail or puff. This is a great way to combine styles and create something unique. It's perfect for active kids who need a secure hairstyle that will last. Remember, the key is to be gentle. Use a good detangling spray and a wide tooth comb before you start. Make sure your child is comfortable and has something to keep them entertained, like a favorite show or book. These styles are not just cute, they are also a great way to protect your child's natural hair from damage. They minimize tangles and knots, making wash day a whole lot easier. So, grab your comb, a little bit of hair product, and get ready to create a beautiful protective style for your little one. Or as well, you can take them to the hairstylist to make their hair for them. They will love showing off their new look. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching.